Failure does not end American business stories. It quietly begins them, long before money, headlines, or public respect arrive today. A small company shuts down. Rent is overdue. Employees leave. The founder sits alone, counting losses, questioning every decision made during endless, quiet, uncertain nights. Pressure follows everywhere. Calls go unanswered. Savings disappear. Expectations rise. Each failure feels personal, heavy, and impossible to explain to friends, family, partners, lenders, watching. Eventually, emotion fades. Patterns emerge. Mistakes repeat clearly. The founder stops reacting and starts understanding why collapse happened before growth. Stability, discipline, patience, control, clarity. Strategy replaces hope. Systems replace hustle. Costs are measured. Risks are weighed. Decisions become boring, slower, and far more effective under pressure, time, scrutiny, survival. Momentum builds quietly. Revenue stabilizes. Ownership expands. Leverage compounds. Work decreases while impact grows across markets and time, without attention, praise, headlines, celebration, noise, spectacle. Wealth reframes memory. Failures turn useful. Losses become instruction. Risk is calculated calmly, informed by experience, distance, and patience earned slowly, painfully, deliberately, over years. These businesses were never dead ends. They were training grounds.